We are on the other side of the pandemic, but one local health district believes we may not be out of the woods just yet. Local News 8's Cole Sams shows us the direction the data is trending.
We are more than 2 years since the pandemic began, and life seems like it's beginning to return to normal. For Southeastern Idaho Public Health, their COVID-19 caseload is nowhere near what it used to be, but cases are once again creeping up.
3 weeks ago, we had 37 cases. 2 weeks ago, we had 55, and for the week that just ended, we're reporting 98 new cases. So that's certainly not as alarming as what we saw in January and February, but it's definitely a trend that is not going in the direction that we would hope it would go.
But SIPH Director Maggie Mann says she's encouraged with the overall decrease in cases compared to what we saw back in January, and with the recent news that the COVID-19 vaccine might be available to people of all ages, they are trying their best to eliminate any spread.
If the vaccine is approved for use in children under age 5 down to I think it's about 6 months of age, we will have that available, as will other healthcare providers, local pediatricians, family practice physicians.
Mann says an easy way to minimize your risk is to look at what is going on in the area you may be going to.
We just encourage people to pay attention if they're maybe traveling to go to an event, that they have an idea of what the transmission is like in that community.
And Mann says the next few months will benefit anyone wanting to be outdoors.
Summer and warm weather is wonderful because we're able to gather more easily outside. And outside events are certainly more safe than indoor events when it comes to transmission of all kinds of things.
Mann says the health district has been thinking a lot about the response during the pandemic, discussing what they did well, what they would change, and staying ready if more cases begin to resurface.
We had a nice sort of lull between Delta and Omicron for about a month, and then Omicron cases went through the roof very quickly. So we have to be prepared to be able to respond quickly if that should happen again.
Reporting in Pocatello, I'm Cole Sams.